Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by making Gboard available and permitted. First, ensure your phone runs Android 8, 0 or newer and has space for updates. Next, install or update Gboard from the Play Store, then open Settings, go to System, Languages and Input. Select Virtual Keyboard and Manage Keyboards, enabling Gboard and granting microphone and storage permissions. Once done, set Gboard as your default keyboard so apps will use it automatically. This gets you immediately ready to customize layout and features. Now you fine-tune how Gboard types and looks. Open the Gboard app to access themes for contrast or dark mode, choose layouts to change key size, and adjust keyboard height for comfort. Enable glide typing for swiping words, turn on suggestions and autocorrection for faster entry, and activate one-handed mode when needed. For multilingual users, add languages, reorder them, and toggle multilingual typing so predictions work across languages. Make sure to test in a messaging app to confirm responsiveness and preferred settings. Finish by enabling power features that save time and personalized typing. Open Gboard settings to set clipboard clips, create text shortcuts, and add entries to your personal dictionary so uncommon words are recognized. Turn on voice typing and emoji or GIF suggestions for richer messages, and enable handwriting if you prefer stylus input. If Gboard lags or behaves oddly, clear the app cache in Settings, update or reinstall Gboard, and restart your phone. That usually resolves conflicts and restores normal keyboard performance.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.